All right, what's going on, guys? T-Torres back here for another video. This is going to be a rather short video, but I wanted to show you something very interesting that I found off a Facebook forum. It's called CarLink. It allows you to have wireless Apple CarPlay if you have an iPhone, which is super cool. And I think this product was like 120 bucks. And if you're interested in getting the same wireless Apple CarPlay module that I have, I'll have a link down in the description. It'll take you directly to buy this link. So let's get into today's video. Let's go ahead and unbox this little package, plug it in the car, and see exactly how this thing works. This thing looks very, very small. So yep, let's get into it. All right, let's see what we're working with here. One-handed gang. Okay, comes with some instructions. The actual unit itself. Wow, this thing is extremely small and lightweight. I don't know why I thought it was going to be a little bit heavier. And then we have the actual USB to USB Type-C dongle. So let's go ahead and get in the car, plug it up, and I'll go over the instructions on how to pair your phone to the actual device. Okay, so my car has the factory USB right there, as you can see. Let's see if I can get this bad boy to go one-handed. Don't think I'm going to be successful, boys. Let me get this connected real quick. Okay, everything is now connected. Once I get everything wired up, or not wired up, but paired up, successful, I'm going to put this back down in the lower cubby. So let's go ahead and turn the car to accessory mode. It should fire that device up. Shut this door so it doesn't beep at us. Okay, so this should be turned on, and yeah, oh, it wasn't turned on. I didn't have it plugged in all the way. Let me make sure I got my dongle down. Oh, I have my dongle down here disconnected. Give me 1 second. Whoops. Okay, it should power on now. I had my USB disconnected down there because I took out the factory cable. All right, so we have a red light. Now, red light should start to go green here in a minute. So in the meantime, you get on your phone. Okay, and then we're gonna go to settings. Get this thing to focus. Here we go. Bluetooth. Okay, and then you're gonna search for the new device. And as you can see, I already have it here. It's called Honda BE5C. Okay, I clicked it. It's doing its little wheel to connect. Should connect here soon. Honda connection unsuccessful. Here, I tell you what, let's do this. Let's take this out. Forget this device. Let's make it find it again. I already connected it once off camera, but I was trying to show you all from start to finish how it goes. So it should be looking for that device. Let's go back to Bluetooth. Should be looking for it. All right, it found my Flash Pro for my Honda. Why are you not finding other devices? Why must you be difficult? That should be green, I thought. Okay, here we go. So this is the device that you're going to be looking for on your iPhone. I got my phone. Let me get my phone to start searching. Okay, Bluetooth. Obviously, make sure your Bluetooth is turned on. All right, so there's my phone, iPhone 13 Pro Max. We're going to click it. See how it says it's auto connecting. So that's great. I think last time I tried this off camera, I think it takes about 20 to 25 seconds for it to actually connect. So it shouldn't take too long at all. Okay, now something's going on with my phone. My phone says it's, there we go, it says it's connected. Yes, use CarPlay. Okay, it says it's connected on my phone. Boom. And then CarPlay is now popped up obviously completely wireless. As you can see, there's nothing here. Let's go through here, scroll through my everything, music, just like normal, phone, just like normal. Not gonna go over maps. Everything works just fine. So everything is working just fine. So like I mentioned, that probably took, I don't know, 30 seconds, maybe a minute to hook up. And then they also give you inside the little user's manual, there's a QR code in there for you to scan it. And then when you scan it, it'll tell you if you have the latest firmware update on your CarLink itself. So everything is running just fine. So I'd say probably about 20-30 seconds for this thing to get connected. So we're flashing green. That's how we know we are connected. And yeah, that was super simple. And like I said, on your phone, you want to look for the device. For mine was called Honda BE5C. So that was super simple, and I'm glad I don't have to worry about plugging my phone in anymore to the car. And I've read nothing but good reviews on this CarLink kit online and on the forums and on Amazon. And like I said, if you want to buy the same kit for your car for Apple CarPlay, I'll have a link down in the description. And I'm not sure if there's a device for Android Auto, but if there is one, I'll also have it linked down in the description as well. So yeah, this is, like I said, a very short video, very short tutorial on how to hook up your wireless Apple CarPlay. As you can see, there's nothing connected to my phone, no cables, no wires, no nothing. And yeah, we got wireless CarPlay. And then, like I said, off camera, from the first time that I did this before I filmed the video, it probably took it anywhere from 20 to 25, maybe 26 seconds to connect. So once you get in the car and you get going, you can look within the next 30 seconds and your car will be automatically connected to the Apple CarPlay, which is pretty cool. I've been wanting something like this for a while. The only thing that would make this device better is if you could watch like YouTube and Netflix going down the road. But I'm not sure if this box is capable of doing that just yet. I'll have to do some research. But for the time being, this is how you get hands-free, wireless Apple CarPlay, and I absolutely love it. And yeah, I'll have to make an update video in a couple months, or like a month or so, of doing some driving and seeing how well it works out. So like I said, sorry to beat a dead horse here, but if you're interested in buying the same wireless Apple CarPlay device for your car, I'll have a link down in the description. And if I can find one that does Android Auto, because I know some people have Android or iPhones, obviously. This one is exclusively for the iPhone, but if I find one for Androids, I'll have a link down in the description as well. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. If you're stopping to the channel for the first time, please hit that subscribe button. Leave this video a big thumbs up, and I will catch y'all in the next video. Peace.